how to recover deleted Telegram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover deleted Telegram accounts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To recover a Telegram which is deleted already, first of all, it depends upon how long has it been since you deleted your account. If it's only been like a week, or maybe you deleted yesterday, now you want to recover it, in that case it could still be recoverable because Telegram will just temporarily deactivate for the time being, like for a month or so. But if it's already been like 1 or 2 months, in that case it could not be recoverable, but you can always try to give it a try by opening up the Telegram app, going ahead and then making sure to entering your phone number here. Once done, you can just hit the arrow button here, and once you hit the arrow button, you will be able to go ahead and then basically recover your Telegram account after you go ahead and then basically verify the code as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.